Hey everyone, do you need job security in 2020? Have you ever wanted to learn to code? Well, this Kickstarter is for you. Alright, so we need your help to make one of the best Kickstarters to help people get jobs and stay employed. With the virus wreaking havoc on the economy, this is a #1 priority for practically everyone. So surprisingly, one of the most in-demand skills out there is Excel. And it's not just Excel, but it's data science, programming, and machine learning. That's why we've put together a bundle that will allow anyone to learn Excel from being completely basic to learning Python, machine learning, and more. So in this bundle of courses, you're going to learn everything from basic Excel to making great charts to learning how to code in Excel, and at the end we're going to show you how to code in Python, use machine learning, and use CSV files to your advantage. This is going to be the best thing that you can add to your LinkedIn or resume to get a job or continue to keep your job. So whether you need to use Excel and data science to help your personal finances out, or your new startup, or you're looking to keep your job, this Kickstarter is going to have the most in-demand skills. Hi, my name is John Burra, and in 2011 I founded an e-learning company with one goal: to keep people employed and to make their skills relevant. We do this by making efficient tutorials to help people get from A to B as quickly as possible. This is our 20th Kickstarter, and we're super excited to help you excel in 2020. So you can take a look at some of the levels down below, and if you pledge today, you can get this bundle for a very low price. In addition, if you really like our content, we have some amazing rewards down below from some of our previous Kickstarters. If you're from an institution like a school or a business, we also have institutional pricing down below. You can get a lot of our courses for a very low price, and you will get lifetime access to these courses. We need your help to make this Kickstarter reality, so pledge today.